30th of June 2023. They have a renovation going on here.
Yeah.
But we are just inside Luntgatan 16 here in Norrköping, ASEA, Sweden. And this was built in 1960, finished that year, and now 5 floors here at ASEA with the original. It serves 3 rights.
Yeah.
It's very amazing. So far the best one today in Norrköping.
Yeah.
There's these 3 versions, 2 bedrooms, and the number is here. It's 98243053. I think that's ASEA 3 persons, 255 grams, but
yeah. This is
ground.
Yeah.
The flywheel looks like a spare part.
Yeah, it's did by device that maintained by Kony.
These buttons.
Yeah.
Wow. Press down.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did.
Yeah.
Too bad only the alarm was changed in 1990s.
That's